Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the filters in your RO100ROPOT reverse osmosis drinking water system. Your control panel displays each filter's lifespan. When all 4 bars deplete, the bar icon will flash, signaling it's time to replace the filter. For uninterrupted water quality, we recommend ordering replacement filters when only 1 bar remains and replacing them once it reaches 0. Safety first. Before replacing filters, turn off the power, unplug the unit, and empty the water tank. To start, locate and gently remove the side cover. Angle the filter at 45 degrees, twist clockwise, and then remove the expired filters. Insert new filters in this order: PP, CTO, RO, PCF from left to right. Align the triangle icon on each filter with its corresponding icon on the base. Secure each filter by twisting counterclockwise until you hear a click. Next, let's reset the filter indicators. Turn the power back on. Lift the number 4 PCF filter to 45 degrees and locate the reset toggle switch on the filter cartridge room side. Hold the switch rod for 3 seconds to enter filter selection mode. The number 1 filter indicator will blink. Use the banana-shaped button to cycle through filters. The selected filter will flash. Press the switch again to reset the selected filter's lifespan. Wait for the flashing to stop, indicating a successful reset. Repeat these steps to reset any other replaced filters. Now it's time to flush the new filters. To remove the protective liquid from new filters, run the pure water-making process 3 times before use. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the filters. Your RO100ROPOT system is now ready to provide you with pure, healthy drinking water again.